What's going on, everybody? Welcome to episode 5 of Feeding the Streets with me, Big Homie. I hope you guys enjoyed all those other videos, but this time I think we got something special. I know you guys have been to Whataburger, you've been to Chick-fil-A, all your local brunch places, but today we're going to show you how to make the best chicken biscuit you've ever had. I'm excited for it. We ain't going to do too much talking. Let's go. Alright, so first things first, we're going to be doing a cheddar and green onion biscuit. Now I know it's a little bit outside the box. You thought we were going to do something regular, but no, I want flavor in every layer of this meal. So what we got here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 6 teaspoons of butter that I already chopped up and I had sitting in my refrigerator. You want it to be cold, so that when this thing gets to cooking, it helps everything bond together. So we're just gonna mix it in here and try to break everything up as good as we can. The key to this whole thing is gonna be handling this gently. So I'm not gonna be doing too much, but I'm just gonna get in here and press this down and mix this in here with this butter as good as I can. So then once we got that going, I'm gonna create like a little pocket here in the center. And I'm gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. The key to this whole process is being gentle. So I'm gonna pour this in here and kind of let it already kind of thicken up in here, and I'm gonna slowly push this around. I'm just kind of pushing everything into the center, not being super aggressive with it. Just want to kind of let it thicken up. You'll see it turn almost like paste-like, thicken up. It's gonna be good. So once you see it kind of thicken up like this, that's what we're gonna add in. I got about 2 ounces of some cheddar cheese here. And then I got about, I don't know, 2 or 3 cut up scallions. Use my hands just to lightly kind of move that around, incorporate everything in there. We're gonna roll this out and press this out and everything too, so don't worry, everything's gonna incorporate. Okay, so we're gonna flour down our workstation. If you're not looking forward to using your hands, then this probably is not the recipe for you. Gotta get a little dirty here. So we're gonna also flour our hands. That way, when working with it, it doesn't stick to our hands. So I'm gonna bring over everything. I'm gonna kind of press everything together on here. There we go. Fold it over. Press it down, flatten it out. We don't want to do this too many times, probably just about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm gonna roll it out. Flip it over one more time. Then I'm already kind of seeing the vision. I'm getting excited a little bit. This is gonna be good. Okay, get my roller. And I want mine to be kind of thick, so I'm not gonna do this too much. Boom. I like that thickness right there. It's pretty good. Okay. Then I'm gonna butter down this baking sheet. This is gonna help us get that nice brown on the bottom of those biscuits. If you want butter flavor, this is how you add it in right here. I don't have one of those like cutter sheets, so I'm using this right here. It's gonna be perfect. I want it to be pretty big because the chicken's gonna be big. So press that down, not turn it. Lift it up. Look at that, bro.
That's nice.
That's gonna make a nice biscuit right there. I'm excited for that one. Yeah.
You wanna know a fun fact?
Yeah, what's up?
That little dish you're using is called a ramekin.
A ramekin. These are what we call, ladies and gentlemen, ramekin biscuits. Presented to you by Big Homie and Sean Don. I feel like a real baker. Everybody who was commenting on my stuff and told me I wanted to see me bake stuff, I know this might not be exactly what you had in mind, but, you know, baby steps. If you think this looks good, then I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do with this chicken. I got a real special twist coming to the end of this. It's gonna take this thing over the moon. I'm gonna keep bringing that back, bro.
Right.
Okay, so I got the oven preheated to 425, it's ready to go. Before they go in, I'm gonna baste these with a little layer of buttermilk just to make sure that flavor comes through. So we're gonna put these in here for about 20 minutes. Let those rise up, and they'll be ready to go. All right, so next we're gonna start on our chicken. So about 6 hours earlier today, I'm not gonna show you guys, I had some chicken marinating right here. And so what I got in here is I got probably about 1.5 cups of buttermilk. I got 2 tablespoons of Sriracha. Now, I know you're watching this part right here thinking, how can I substitute the Sriracha with hot sauce? And today is the day that we stop doing that. Get Sriracha, I've been telling you in every video. Stop substituting. We stop substituting here. I got that. I got about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of paprika, and I put some of that chili garlic sauce that I had you guys get from the other video in here. Optional, but flavor, so I recommend it. And so I let this sit in here all together for about 6 hours. If you could do this the night before, even better, but you definitely want to marinate this in here, get that flavor going to complement this biscuit. Top to bottom, it's gonna bring everything together. Okay, for the dredge for our chicken, I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have that, it's optional. You could use adobo, you could use another all-purpose seasoning type thing. I got about a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. I got about 1 tablespoon of paprika. I've got 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and I've got a tablespoon of salt. I'm just going to whisk this all together. I'm gonna just grab some of this chicken that I had marinating. I got thighs here. You could use breast. They'll be good too. I like thighs. Thighs are like a juicier cut. So I like to use these here. Any of the popular chicken places you go to, like Chick-fil-A or any of those places like that, I believe they use thighs also. And if they don't, they probably should. Push that down, get everything coated all around that. Shake that excess off, and then we're gonna leave that there. You wanna let that sit for a second, let that coating really get on that chicken, about 2 or 3 minutes before it goes into the grease, and that's gonna help that crispy texture, and that's what we want. We want texture and layers all throughout the whole sandwich. And so I'm just gonna repeat this until we're done. All right, so now our grease is about 365, AKA hot as fuck. So we're gonna put this in here. Gently. And that's the sound we wanted. We wanted that. So I'm gonna come back and get the second piece. You don't want to overcrowd these because you don't want the temperature to go down. So I'm just gonna do about 2 of them at a time. Oh yeah, that's gonna be money. All right, chicken's been cooking for about 8 or 9 minutes or so. Come check this out. That's what we got. Look at that. Look at that crispy chicken. That's perfection right there. That's perfection. Look at that. Perfection. That's 2 for 2, we undefeated. Boom. Biscuit time. Bro, look at that. Look at that. I fucking did it. I did it. Who do you think you are? I am. That's right, I did it. While they still hot, we're gonna butter them down. Oh yeah. Little lubrication. She wet. She ready? Now, here's for the part that makes this fun. Sauce. I know you thought we were just gonna have a regular plain biscuit, but no, we're gonna do a maple sriracha sauce that's going on top of this chicken. I can't take full credit for this. Shout out to Queen Clay. We talked about this in the training room, and this really sparked my theory to even get this going. So, maple sriracha sauce. I got 2 tablespoons of butter going right here. I got about 1/2 cup of some real good maple syrup, and we're gonna do about, I don't know, about maybe 1/4 cup of some Sriracha just to have a little kick in there. We're gonna put this on top of the chicken. It's just gonna be fantastico. Maple syrup. Some Sriracha. I love Sriracha, bro. So much more flavor than regular hot sauce. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to make this sandwich a thing. We're gonna take this biscuit. It's already kind of pulling apart. Bro, I can't wait to eat this. The flakiness on this is beautiful. Look at that on the inside. Perfectly done, not mushy. This is gonna taste so good. I can't wait. Now, it's time to put this beautiful sandwich together. I'm gonna go right here. Chicken on top. That's a big piece of chicken, bro. We're gonna lather this up with this sauce. It's making my plating messy, but I'm not complaining. Okay, and that's last but not least, a fried egg. Because of course we did. Do you know what I'm about to do, bro?
This is time for the shot.
Are you ready?
The money shot.
Are you ready? Let's get that top layer on there. That's a home run right there, bro. I think this might be some of my best work. And I know I might say that a lot, but I really feel like every video I'm getting better and better. And this, I might be the most excited about. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna do what I like to do and take a bite of this. It's too big, so I think I gotta cut this. Bro.
Yeah, let's see that cross section.
See that? Juicy. Done. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. I think I just did something special. Look, the sauce, if I could change anything, I put more Sriracha in there so I can get more of that kick. But that maple syrup sitting on top of the chicken, perfect. I wish I put more green onions in this biscuit, but the biscuit is cooked perfect. The egg is doing what an egg does. This is probably my best work. I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you learned something good. I hope you recreate this. I hope you share it with people you love. Until next time. I lied, we're not done. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, send this video to your friends, your coworkers, your parents, your mom, your cousin, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Make sure you share this video, but most importantly, subscribe and turn on notifications because the next video is gonna be epic. Thanks.